blower motor is located under the dash, right up here. On the back side of the blower motor, it's hard to see, but there's a clip right here. And you see there's a red safety clip. I'm going to take a small flathead screwdriver and push that safety clip back like that. And then push up on this tab. And then that'll come right off. And now there's 3 5/16 bolts holding the blower motor in. Those are also a little hard to see, but there's one right here, there's one in the front, and then there's one in the back here. I'm going to take those out. I'm just doing this by feel because I can't really see anything. There's your first bolt. Okay. And I saved the easiest one to see and reach for last, because that's kind of how I do things. And you'll see as you start to remove that, the blower motor is going to want to drop down. So I'm going to grab it while I remove the screw the rest of the way. And then drop it right down. Now we're going to put the new blower motor into place. Just like that. Line up all those holes and get your bolts started. And tighten them all down. Make sure those are all tight. And then clip that back into place, put the safety back on, and you're good to go.